So that sucks, and we're gonna fix that today using a tailgate assist. Okay, now that we've loosened this up, we're gonna loosen it up a little more. So that we can put this plate in here, and it's got a little ball joint, for lack of a better term. What we wanna do is slip it in between this bolt, and then we have a supplied nut. There. We're gonna bolt it in here to secure this plate. Okay, we have this plate with another ball socket. We're gonna, first let me clean this up. Okay, so here's the part that's actually going to be doing all the work, and they got these little clips here, and I remember from when I was doing this on my hood that these are kind of tricky to get done right. Okay, same process for this side. Okay, let's put it to the test. Awesome. Works great. Perfect. So the kit comes with this like little piece of Mylar, and I guess it would go either right here or in other locations. And what I'm gonna do is just kind of like keep an eye on this and see where this cable rubs, because there's some dimensional differences that we added here, right? Like these plates add some material thickness to the overall function. And I'm just gonna keep an eye on it, like I said, and when I do see like evidence of this thing rubbing on either here or here, I'll put this like, you know, little piece of Mylar here to help protect it. But overall, it's like a really good, you know, 20-minute job at the most, less than a beer job, like 20 bucks, I think. And it was made by DZ. Well worth your time, because that whole tailgate shit is really annoying. But, you know, give it a shot. If you got a truck, they make them in all the manufacturers. I think it makes the truck a little nicer. But thanks for stopping by. See you next time around.